Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best affordable satellite phones in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Garmin InReach Mini Satellite Communicator. This is not a satellite phone, in the sense that it does not have the capability to make voice calls. It does, however, connect to satellites to allow you to send texts from pretty much anywhere, making it useful for sending brief messages from the wild to worried family members. I say brief because the phone's 4 buttons make it tedious to type out longer messages. Even if you opt not to send out texts with the phone, your loved ones can log in and follow your progress on a map as long as the InReach Mini is on. And, since it has a standby battery life of 90 hours, you can go on long treks without power and still stay connected. As with a satellite phone, there's an SOS button that allows you to communicate with a geo center to call for help. In terms of size, the Mini is notably smaller than a standard satellite phone, at just 4 inches long and 2.4 inches wide. The size, long battery life, and features make it the ideal choice for those going deep into the woods on a backpacking, hiking, or mountain biking adventure. Number 2. Our second best pick is ZOLEO Satellite Communicator. Looking a lot like a big retro pager, this satellite communicator links up with satellites, again, Iridium's network, to extend the coverage of your smartphone. Using the free ZOLEO app, you can send and receive texts over Wi-Fi or cellular when you're close to civilization, or via satellite when you're off the grid. The device itself is tough, with an impressive IP68 rating, meaning the device can survive up to a half hour submerged beneath 4 feet of water. And with 200 hours of battery life, you'll get a ton of use before needing a charge. In addition to messaging functions found within the app, the ZOLEO itself has 2 critical operations, a check-in button and an SOS button. The check-in button will send info like your location and a short message to your contacts even if your smartphone is dead. Just set up the info you want sent, and to whom, via the app beforehand. The SOS button is protected beneath a cover so you won't accidentally trigger it, but when you need help, pushing the button will send your SOS message and coordinates to an emergency response team. Keep in mind, when you're within standard service areas, the ZOLEO app will run on your existing cell coverage, and messages don't count against your monthly allotment. Number 3. Our third best pick is SpotX with Bluetooth two-way satellite messenger. The second largest network for satellite phones is operated by Globalstar, and this is their flagship consumer product. The rugged device can handle a dunk in 3 feet of water for up to 30 minutes and will still function at temps of up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Like the ZOLEO, it connects to your phone via Bluetooth using the free app, allowing you to send and receive messages on your phone when you're away from cell coverage. Thanks to the built-in keypad and display, you can also type and read messages using the device itself. Geared towards outdoors folk, it lets you use the satellite capabilities to map your progress through the backwoods, pinging your location at regular intervals, from every 2.5 minutes to every hour. There's a built-in compass to keep you from getting lost and an on-device check-in button that sends your coordinates to pre-selected contacts. If you get in trouble, the SOS button connects directly to search and rescue services. Like Iridium, Globalstar satellites move in a low Earth orbit for faster connections. Their coverage includes a large portion of the globe, though they have service gaps in parts of Africa, Alaska, Asia, and South America. Plans are serviced by Globalstar and they're among the cheapest satellite plans out there, with unlimited messages for $30 per month on the annual plan, and other per month plans to choose from. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Iridium 9555 Satellite Kit Factory Unlocked Phone. As operators of the largest network of satellites used for satellite phones, it's not surprising this one makes our list twice. Built to work on their network, this satellite phone is plenty rugged, even if it's not quite as bomb-proof as our top pick, the Iridium Extreme 9575. But keep in mind, it comes in nearly $1,000 cheaper than the Extreme. With its compact size, physical dial pad, and illuminated display, the phone looks like that old-school Nokia your parents had back in the 90s. It even has a pull-out antenna for better connections. The main difference is that pulling out the antenna on this phone allows for voice calls from the North Pole. Battery life is on par with the Extreme, giving you 30 hours on standby and 4 hours of active talking. If running out of juice is a worry, extra batteries for the 9555 are available for about $30. The phone supports SMS, texting, and emails, though you'll have to use the 12-key dial pad to type. If that feels like another throwback to 1995, it makes up for any retro vibes with its extensive satellite network. Iridium currently operates 66 active satellites, all circling Earth in a low Earth orbit, LEO. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Garmin GPSMAP 66i Satellite Communicator. Like Garmin's InReach Mini that we recommend above, this one also operates on Iridium's global satellite network. And like the InReach Mini, this device allows for two-way communication with your contacts, no matter where you roam. The major difference here is the map function. While any satellite communicator lets you call for help if you lose your way, the 66i offers topographical maps to make sure you don't get lost in the first place. Topoactive maps of the US and Canada come standard, and you can buy and download maps for South America, Australia, Iceland, and more from the Garmin Map Store. The SOS button is protected so you don't accidentally trigger it, and the location tracking function allows you to share your location with friends and family. That's primarily done through Garmin's MapShare, in which you send a personalized URL to your contacts that they can use to track your location in real time via the web. To grant even wider access to your explorations, the 66i will let you send posts to your social media accounts. Pairing the device with Garmin's Explore app on your smartphone lets you access weather updates, and ABC sensors for altitude, barometer, and compass functions are built into the device. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.